May I come in, sir? Thank you.
Yes, please.
Good evening, ma'am. Good evening, sir.
Please sit down.
Thank you, sir.
Shivani, you are Shivani.
Yes, sir.
You have done LLM.
Yes, sir.
Housewife, mother-in-law. Father, what father is doing?
So my father expired.
Oh, sorry. Wait. किस सब्जेक्ट में क्या ले लें?
So human rights and value education.
ह्यूमन राइट है?
Value education.
क्या टॉपिक का नाम क्या है?
So
केवल ह्यूमन राइट्स एंड वैल्यू
value education. So this is my
Very good.
specialization in LLM.
And what about dissertation?
Ma'am, it was human rights of unorganized labor, a quest for socio-economic justice.
Socio-economic justice.
Yes, sir.
Can you suggest me some very good book over that particular topic, socio-economic justice?
Sorry, sir, I'm
Have you go
not.
through with the book of Idea of Justice?
No, sir, I have not.
And how you have completed your dissertation? It's a very leading book.
Yes, sir.
Do you have any idea regarding who?
No, sir, I am not aware. I apologize.
Okay. And what is your hypothesis of
Sir?
dissertation?
So my research, my dissertation included so it was a doctrinal research. So what it included was the circumstances or the situations of the unorganized labor, especially with reference to COVID period. So it included that. So as we had seen in the news that during the COVID, the human rights, especially of the unorganized labor, were
So is
being
there any
violated.
law to protect these unorganized peoples? Unorganized labor? Is there any law? Is there any regulation for them?
So there is. So mostly human also they are not classified. So there is no as such a particular law for specifically for unorganized labor, but there are national security and national social security legislations which protects unorganized
Can you
labor.
mention one specific legislation?
So this is as I've said that this particular national social security legislation, it is one of the 2008.
Legislation or act?
So it's an act.
Okay.
As a
2008?
It's a 2008 act. So it is and sir, after this labor code, so it was my dissertation was before this labor code came into force, but I included that after this labor code, there's a code of social security labor.
What is the recent amendment in labor laws?
Ma'am, this is the recent amendment, no, that the labor codes have been classified into the labor laws, various labor laws have been classified into 4 labor codes.
Okay.
So,
थोड़ा कंफर्टेबल हो जाओ थोड़ा
Take it easy. If you want to have a water, you can.
no, sir, thank you so much.
Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Relax, relax.
कुछ इनसे अपने दूसरे सब्जेक्ट पे
So Shivani, can you tell me which is your favorite subject?
So I have, there's no as such favorite. I've gone through all I tried to
At least now you are inclined with some subject.
So I'm more inclined towards criminal law, but I've gone through all the subjects.
Sir?
कोटा के रहने वाले।
Yes, sir.
कोटा की कौन-कौन सी चीजें फेमस हैं?
So as in all know, Kota is firstly foremost known for its education. It's called City of Education. So another thing is Kota Doria. It's a type of cloth. Yes, it's very famous for Kota Kachori as well. So,
कुछ हब है ना?
so it's a hub for education.
एक मंदिर है जिसमें बहुत सारे शिव जी का
Yes, sir. Yeah.
हाँ शिव जी का एक फेमस मंदिर है
Yes, sir. There is.
कौन सी जगह है जगह का नाम क्या है
Sir,
फोटो आया था पत्रिका
yes, sir. I'm not able to recall exactly the place, but it's in Kota. It's like.
कांडेश्वर महादेव
No, sir. It's not Karneshwar Mahadev ji.
Garedia Mahadev?
So Kota is famous for Garedia Mahadevji as well, but it is not Garedia Mahadevji as well. So the place you're talking about, it has 108 shivlings in
Yeah.
the. Yes, so it's
That
not.
is what I believe, Shivard.
No, sir, it's not.
Shiva is
वो वहाँ पे एक पत्रकार में देखा था
Yes, so it has 108 shivlings. The
चलिए, कोई
temple.
बात नहीं. अब ये बताएं रॉबरी की डेफिनेशन देंगे आप?
Sir, so robbery 390, it is defined in section 390. It says that a theft can be a robbery or extortion can be a robbery. So when theft can be a robbery if while at the time of committing the theft or at the time of carrying away the property of the theft, if the person is put into the fear of instant death, hurt or wrongful restraint, and it will be robbery. And so extortion can also be robbery when the person in the presence, when the person is in the presence, the offender is in the presence of the person, and he threatens him with the instance of fear of instant death or hurt or wrongful restraint. And
इसकी एक इलस्ट्रेशन दे रखी है किताब में,
yes, sir.
रॉबरी बाय एक्सटॉर्शन,
Robbery by theft. Yes, sir.
कैसे वो पढ़ा है इलस्ट्रेशन आप?
क्या डिफरेंस है
So in both difference is that in this the person there in extortion the person delivers the property then and there. So
In that case it is taken away.
it is taken away in the
मेरे हाथ में एक पिस्टल है
yes, sir.
और आप अपने घर में हैं मैं आपके घर में आता हूँ पिस्टल की डर से आप मुझसे कुछ नहीं कहते और आपकी मेज पे आपकी कोई वैल्यूएबल चीज रखी है कुछ पैसे रखे हैं उठा के लेके चला जाता हूँ मैंने कौन सा ऑफेंस किया है
So आपने रॉबरी ही किया है
रॉबरी कैसे
so because
रॉबरी बाय थेफ्ट और रॉबरी बाय एक्सटॉर्शन
so it's robbery by theft.
Mhm.
So because you are
Robbery
while
by
attempting
extortion.
so
ये theft.
So theft, So it's robbery by theft. So because you are taking away while committing the theft, you are putting the person into fear of death, hurt, or wrongful restraint. So
Shivani, what is curative petition? Have you ever heard this?
yes, sir, I have heard of this. So curative petition is so it's after even after the review petition. In
Where
fact,
it is applicable? Curative petition and under which case it has been derived?
so I am sorry, sir, I'm not able to recall the name of the case, but so there is a
मैडम आप पूछिए ना.
Okay, let me know about presumptions. Means I want to know what is artificial presumption and natural presumption.
Ma'am, artificial presumption and natural. Ma'am, the one thing that I could think of is natural presumption is 114. And it's like, sorry, ma'am, I have not heard of artificial.
And what is factum probandum and factum in province?
Ma'am, factum is probandum is that when evidence is given of the facts in self, and when it's factum probentia.
Is there any synonym of these words? Please let me know. Then I will understand.
Synonym of factum probens, factum. Sorry, ma'am, I'm not aware.
Relevant facts and factum.
Factum issue. So.
Okay, Shivani, just last question. Lie detection test, whether it's constitutional or unconstitutional?
So lie detection test is constitutional only because you are under.
Is it admissible
So at the-
before the court?
So at the time of investigation, because if you're compelling a person to go under a lie detector test, take the time of investigation, it is only adding in the
चलो, okay, let's extend it. Narco analysis. Have you ever heard this word narco analysis?
yes sir.
Whether
So,
the narco analysis
This
is
test
admissible?
is, so it's not so it's against Article 20 Clause 3.
Okay, is there any leading case related,
So,
related to that?
So it's Karnataka, state of Karnataka, Cellular state of
Cellular.
this is state of Karnataka, that is.
Okay, fine, Shivan.
Okay, sure.
Good luck.
Good luck
Good
and
luck.
Just improve.
Few suggestions.
Yes, ma'am.
the suggestion is first you have to show the confidence
Yes, your
Yes,
confidence is very low.
very low. Don't panic. ठीक है, this is the board only. They will not go
Yes,
to bite you. ठीक है, तो पैनिक नहीं होना है. ठीक है.
Yes, sir.
Be confident.
Relax.
कि आपने पढ़ा हुआ है, रिलैक्स दिखना चाहिए.
So right.
You are looking like a very hurry burry. ठीक है कि बस खत्म हो मैं भाग जाऊँ दरवाजा खोल के.
ये तो
ठीक है.
बहुत घबराहट इतनी क्यों?
हरी बरी नहीं करना.
So मतलब इससे पहले
कोई बात नहीं.
sir, I've tried everything like to make myself comfortable and
Do
not
one thing,
panic.
count for 10.
Honestly.
ठीक है. आपको पता होता है कि आपका नंबर का.
Sir, I don't even realize that I'm panicking. Maybe like I'm very in a hurry, like
Yes,
very
yes.
rushed.
Yes. No, you
So-
don't need to rush. Okay.
Sir, I've tried everything.
Okay,
Like
now-
I've tried practicing myself before a mirror. I've
Now
tried
you-
counting, but I
Means
don't know.
you
It's
know
not
that
working.
this is
not-
your weakness.
Yes, sir. Ma'am,
You know
I
about
know.
this.
You are thinking of that only. Don't think that I have got this weakness.
Because this is a very passionful job.
Yes, sir.
Relax, no problem.
ठीक है.
But I don't know how I should like tackle it
Do
because I
meditation.
have
You should
tried.
not think that I am
Yes.
Panicking.
That's the point.
Yes.
ये
Sir, nothing will
आपको
change.
It's in your
पता नहीं क्या
mind
होगा.
that I have got.
So मैं तो सोच के आई थी कि बहुत ही बुरा होगा. मेरे तो दिमाग में यही चल
बस
रहा था कि
इसीलिए
बहुत
ये
बुरा
कहना
होगा.
है।
Don't think negative.
One thing is
इसीलिए
very positive, your presentability. That is very good. You are keeping smiling all over the time. ठीक है, प्रेशर है, हरी भरी दिख रहा है, बट आप स्माइलिंग कर रहे हो. ठीक है, that is good. अब अगर आप ये थोड़ा सा अपना पेशेंस
सोचो।
ठीक कर लोगे, ठीक है, तो it will add something in the personality. Knowledge of the law आपको बहुत ज़्यादा
weak है.
LLM में आप भी
ठीक है.
So LLM का
It must be very
dissertation.
crisp.
So मैंने एक्चुअली यही था कि LLM मेरा मतलब प्री से पहले ही 1 महीने पहले ही हमारे पेपर्स हुए थे. तो
नहीं,
मैम
आप इससे पहले हम करने के लिए
सर यस सर मैंने
तब
इसी
आप उससे सुन
तो उसको मेंशन मत करिए.
सो मैंने वहाँ पे मेंशन नहीं किया क्योंकि मेरा पेपर भी नहीं हुआ था फाइनल सेमेस्टर का. मतलब मैं श्योर भी नहीं थी कि मैं पेपर दूंगी या नहीं.
आगे भी मत करिए.
हाँ.
अपने सवाल उसी से पूछेंगे.
Otherwise आप confuse कर
Then
जाएंगे.
it will be trap for you. तो आप
Yes,
जो आप
sir.
बता भी पा रहे हैं ना वो भी नहीं बता पाएंगे. जब शुरुआत के आंसर नहीं बता पाते
Yes,
तो वैसे ही
sir.
मोरल डाउन हो जाता है.
रिलैक्स रहो आप, ठीक है.
और रिलैक्स होके एक प्रेजेंटेबल होना है, मेडिटेशन करिए और हरी नहीं करना है. ठीक है, दिस
सो लाइक आई हैव ट्राइड. मतलब मैंने बहुत ऐसे
ये
किया
अच्छी
है
बात
कि
है,
मैं
अच्छी बात है,
कोशिश
आपने
कर रही हूँ
try
उस चीज
किया,
में
बिल्कुल.
पर वो इम्प्रूवमेंट मुझे शो नहीं हो रहा है मैम. मतलब मैंने लास्ट
नहीं, आप ये मत सोचिए कि
हाँ.
शो नहीं हो रहा है.
होगा.
आप बिल्कुल भी नेगेटिव रिजल्ट्स की तरफ मत सोचिए. आप
ये-
जितना
ये
सोचोगे
positive.
नहीं.
ये तो आपका सोचना है.
हाँ जी.
वो उसी की वजह से प्रॉब्लम आई.
आप शायद इसी वजह से इतना नर्वस कर
एक फेमस सेइंग है कि जब आप सफल होना चाहते हैं तो असफलता की दर को दुगना कर दीजिए. ठीक है,
Yes, sir.
Take your
कंटिन्यूअस.
advantage of
ठीक
that.
है, लगातार आप शीशे के सामने
डर को
बैठिए.
निकाल दीजिए.
अपने
आप
बड़ी
बोलिए
के साथ
मुझे
जो
जो
बोले.
आता है आई विल डिपेंड.
ठीक है,
Now
अपने
let's
बड़ी
see
के साथ
what
में डिस्कशन करिए.
Yes.
डोंट थिंक अबाउट द रिजल्ट्स.
यस